I'm Gustavo Macharo and I'm the owner of Goose Automotive. I started Goose Automotive after working at the dealership for 8 years. Goose Automotive's been open for 3 years, and I started with the intent on opening a shop that focused on customer service and quality.
I like working with Goose just because he makes it personal for you, the experience that you get, and he does what he tells you he's going to do.
Goose is very knowledgeable, he's professional, and they're reasonably priced. I trust him with my cars, and they do a great job.
The big thing is that I truly trust them as an auto mechanic place, and that's something I've never felt with any other place that I've taken my cars to be worked on.
What I enjoy most about being a technician is that every car is different, every car comes with its own set of challenges, and the technology is always changing. And we're trying to make that customer happy and put that customer back in their vehicle as quickly as possible with a quality repair.
Goose Automotive is different because you can come here to an independent shop, but they have all the same diagnostic tools that the big dealerships in town have. You're getting the same quality for a much better price.
What makes us different from going next door, going to any other repair shop, is that we treat you like family here. We're passionate about what we do, we care about your car, and you're not just a number to us, you're family.
I really appreciate the fact that they put safety first. They go over my car thoroughly to make sure that everything is in good running condition.
I recommend Goose Automotive because it's fun, it's personal, you get a great experience, and they treat you like family.
Thank you so much, Goose Automotive, and all the crew that work here. Everyone has been so wonderful to work with. Thank you.
Thanks, Goose, you're the best.
Thanks Goose Automotive for being there for me and my vehicles and for taking great care of us.
If you're looking for a quality automotive repair shop for your European and import vehicle, then come by Goose Automotive and we'll take care of you.